Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evie. So today we are making a crochet skirt that's going to give you those summer vibes, perfect for beach days, parties, or just to spice up your everyday look. So I'll guide you through it step by step. Grab your hook and your yarn and let's get started. And remember to like, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, enjoy. This is what I'll be using. It's a 100% acrylic yarn. It's soft in texture. My 3.5 mm hook, my tape measure, and also a pair of scissors. I can't find them now, so yeah, let's start. So now I'll start by chaining a length of 27 inches. So my lower waist measurements, it's 27, but my actual waist measurements, it's 24, 25 there. So chain a length of 27 inches. Sorry about that. So the next step, it will be placing on this project. I'll be working with half double crochets. So the next thing I'll be doing is I will be placing half double crochets all through until the end here. So carry on with my half double crochets all through until the end of the row. At the end here, I will take my other end like so, and then join it together and make a slip um a slip stitch like so. And then this part here I will sew it later when I'm done. So from here, continue with your half double crochets around the waist area, like here. Continue with double crochet, half double crochets around the waist area, and I'll be placing an increase at the corners here of my work, like here and also here. Let me put a marker. This scrap yarn will be my marker, so as to know where to place an increase for the hips measurement. So from this end here, not end, at the corner, and also here at the corner, I'll place this scrap yarn as my marker. So remember to place an increase at this marker and this mark. So for an increase, I'll just place 2 half double crochets on the same stitch. So the first one, the second, that will mark as our increase, and then I will go on with my half double crochets all through. I will also place an increase at this other end, and for the increase, it's 2 half double crochet on the same stitch, and then continue with half double crochets. Now I'm about to place an increase on this other end, so I will place an half double crochet and then slip stitch to join this end and the other end, and then on the same stitch, on the next stitch, place half double crochet, and then on the other next stitch place half double crochet, and then I'll place an increase, and that's 2 half double crochets on the same stitch. And remember, when placing an increase, you don't have to place to increase on the same spot like here. You can increase either on this other end in the middle or on the other end, like interchange when placing an increase, so as not to form a V-shape stitch when you place on the same stitch. So as you can see here, I placed an increase here, and then on the third row I've placed here. So continue with increasing until you reach your get your desired hips measurements. For me it's 33, and I'll stop when I reach 33 inches. Yeah. So I've done a length of 11 inches. So the next step I'll be doing the mesh pattern, and for the mesh pattern I'll place a double crochet, another double crochet on the next stitch, and then I'll chain 3, 2, 3, and then skip 2 on the third chain, place a double crochet, another double crochet, and then chain 3, 2, 3, and then skip 2 on the third, place a double crochet, on the next stitch place a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then skip 2 on the third, double crochet, and then double crochet. So here to where the mesh started, I will chain 3 and then work on top here on this space, a double crochet, another double crochet, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that will be it for the mesh pattern. So work your way down with this mesh pattern. So chain 3 and place a double crochet, 2 double crochets on this space right here. So place a double crochet, another double crochet, and that will be it for the mesh pattern. So continue the pattern till the end, or until you reach your desired length. For me, I'll crochet long enough. So yeah, we'll see how many inches I'll be having. I'm done with the mesh pattern, and I did a length of 23 inches. So to finish it off, I'll do half double crochets all around the skirt. So go on with half double crochets in every stitch. Done with the single crochet, so I will make a slip. I'll make a slip stitch and then work on the waist area. So go on with the slip stitch, weave this in, and work on the waist area. For the waist area, I will insert my hook and my yarn and go ahead with the half double crochets as well. So place half double crochets all through, just to secure the this part here. I'll place half double crochets. Done with the half double crochet, so I'll just place a slip stitch, pull tight, and then weave it in, and that's it for the skirt.